In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inline code in Confluence. Inline code is perfect for short snippets like commands, file names, parameters, or bits of JSON you want to stand out within a paragraph. It keeps your writing readable by giving those snippets a monospaced look with a subtle background, making them easy to spot without breaking the flow of your text. Start by opening your browser and heading to start.atlassian.com. Log into your account so you're ready to work. From there, look at the left panel and choose the space you want to work with. Once you're in the right spot, open a page where you want to format your text. You can do this on any page that allows you to edit content, so pick something that already has text you'd like to format. The fastest way to apply inline code is with a keyboard shortcut. First, highlight the text you want to format. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus M. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus M. You'll see the selected text switch to the inline code style immediately. If you change your mind, the same shortcut will toggle it off, which is handy when you're refining your formatting as you write. This method is great when you're already typing and want to keep your hands on the keyboard. If you prefer using the mouse, you can use the toolbar menu. Highlight the text you want to format, then look at the top toolbar and click the More Formatting icon. It's the drop-down arrow that reveals additional options. From that list, choose Code, which is usually represented by the angle brackets icon. Your highlighted text will convert to inline code right away. This approach is clear and visual, and it's helpful if you like confirming your choices from a menu. A few quick tips as you work: keep inline code short and focused. Think single words or brief phrases so your paragraphs stay easy to read. If you accidentally select too much text, simply undo and try again with a smaller selection. And remember, inline code is meant for small snippets within a sentence. You'll use it when you want emphasis without creating a separate block of content. That's all you need to confidently format inline code in Confluence. Open your page, highlight your text, and apply the formatting with either the shortcut or the toolbar. Thanks for watching.